Welcome to Vegan Life. For all the sweet lovers and for all the people who are snacking right now and they're feeling guilty about it, today we'll be making something that is light in calories, high in protein, and 100% vegan. Chickpea Chocolate Dip. You will need chickpeas, cocoa powder, unsweetened almond milk, coconut sugar, maple syrup, vanilla extract, peanut butter, and pinch of salt. So first start by adding the chickpeas to your processor with the almond milk, the cocoa powder, sugar, the maple syrup, It tastes so good. Oh my god. You can add a little bit sugar if you want it a little bit too sweet, but I'm trying to cut down on calories, so that's enough. That's amazing.